Let Mama cover the chair, Mac.
No.
Mac, let Mama cover the chair.
Look,
what are you doing?
take a picture.
Mac, let Mama cover that. Let Mama finish. That's not yours. Mac? Mac, let Mama put that cover on there, okay? Come here. Come here, let Mama do that. Thank you. See how long that lasts. Tough, you helping Mama? So now you're gonna come over here and bother me, right? Okay. You a bad dog? You a bad dog?
I love it.
Huh? You want Daddy to get you? Daddy get you. Daddy get you.
Don't you like it? Whatever.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'll get you. I got you. What? Watch out. I'll get you. I'm gonna get you. Why you getting me? Watch out. Oh, ah! You're bad. Come here. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Ow. Oh, he's so mean. You're a brat. You're so mean, huh? You mean? You mean dog? Easy. Really? You're gonna bite my clothes, right? Where are you taking me? Where are we going? Where are we going? You're a brat. Where are we going? Where are we going? Tell me where we're going. You just being mean? You ain't got a mean bone in you.